Is your factory's production efficiency decreasing? Would you like a free inspection? Have you ever encountered machine failures and been unable to find a professional technician to come and repair them in time? Want to buy equipment but don't know which brand is good? Are local market options for parts and consumables not comprehensive enough? If you face these challenges every day, it can reduce production efficiency and waste costs. What should you do? Now, ASEANMACHINE can easily solve these problems. Search for ASEANMACHINE. ASEANMACHINE is a platform dedicated to supplying machinery, consumables, and cutting tools. Has a local team providing localized services, free fast delivery, and technical support. Our engineers have extensive repair experience and can quickly diagnose and resolve various equipment issues. Register as a member for free and enjoy more privileges. Product discounts, free repairs, and on-site service provided by our team. In addition, we provide precision machining services and products. ASEANMACHINE helps us save costs and time while improving production efficiency. So, how do you find ASEANMACHINE? Besides searching on our website, you can also find us through social media. Welcome to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Become an ASEANMACHINE user today.